Hello, you're listening News Live. Here's the headline. SF avert confrontation as cookie protest blockade. NVG backs TNL call to censure cookie. Transporters seek proof into National Highway number 37 project. Lakewood cookie village stores in pre-dawn attack. Lawyers seek FIR against Ram Mandir Trust functionaries. Headmaster suspended for attending school drunk in Odisha. Lightning strikes in UP's Balia leave 3 dead. Russian attack on Ukraine sets Kiev for hours. Now the news in detail. SF's avert confrontation as cookie protest blockade. Security forces on Thursday prevented a possible confrontation after a large group of cookie residents marched towards Kanchu Saval in Imphal West District to protest a road blockade, but were stopped at Limokong, Chingmang and dispersed. According to reports, local Meitei and Naga residents had blocked the road connecting Imphal West and Kampope district in support of the inter-district blockade called by the United Naga Council UNC, which is demanding justice for the killing of 6 Naga civilians. In response, around 1,000 Kuki residents organized a rally against the blockade. As news of the march spread, a large number of Meitei and Naga residents gathered at Kanchu Saval. Central Security Forces and Manipur Police deployed in the area strengthened security arrangements to prevent any clash. Reports said that the blockade had affected Kuki villages in Kangpopi district, leading to shortages of essential commodities, including food and drinking water. The Committee on Tribal Unity (KOTU) has been demanding the immediate lifting of the blockade. In support of KOTU's agitation, Kuki villagers marched towards Kanchu Saval with the intention of clearing the road blockade. However, security personnel intercepted the march at Limokong Chumang and prevented it from proceeding further, while residents gathered on the opposite side also remained in flight. NVG backs TNL call to censure cookie. The Eastern Command of the Naga Village Guard has issued a directive asking individuals, groups, and organizations to comply with the Tangkhul Nagalong's declaration of severing civic and economic ties with the Kukis. The directive, issued by the Eastern Command commander on Thursday, said the orders comes in pursuance of the Tangkhul Nagalong's declaration made on February 25, 2026. It alleges that certain individuals from Naga and non-Naga communities have been collaborating with Kukis in areas under the jurisdiction of Ukhrul, Kamjong, and Saiko. The NVG said that such actions would no longer be condoned and warned that action would be initiated against those violating the order. The directive is for strict compliance by all concerned, it added. Transporters seek proof into National Highway number 37 project. Transporters and Drivers Council Manipur on Thursday submitted a complaint to the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways seeking a high-level inquiry into the execution of the National Highway number 37 Imphal-Jirivam Road project by the National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited (NHIDCL). The council alleges substandard construction, inordinate delays, and suspected misuse of public funds. In the complaint addressed to the Secretary of the Ministry, TDC President Hais Ranjit highlighted that NHIDCL had sublet major portions of the project to multiple subcontractors without adequate supervision, resulting in poor workmanship, fragmented execution, and lack of accountability. Lakewood Kuki village stores in pre-dawn attack. Violence continued in Hill District on Thursday with fresh unrest reported from None District. A day after the torching of 5 more Kuki villages in Kamzon District and a reported retaliatory attack on Thana Tangkhul village. Laikot Kuki village in Noni was attacked in the pre-dawn hours and extensively damaged by fire. The Kuki NP Jirivam, Tamelung and Noni GTN, the FX body of Kuki tribes in the three district elites that suspected NSCN-IM militants carried out the attack, leaving most of the village damaged after it was reportedly set ablaze. According to the organization, the attack took place around 5 a.m. It described the incident as an unprovoked attack on civilians and that village volunteers equipped only with licensed single-barrel firearms and limited resources attempted to defend the village but were outmatched by the attackers' superior firepower. Lawyers seek FIR against Ram Mandir Trust functionaries. Lawyers of the Fajavat Bar Association on Thursday took out a protest march here and submitted a police complaint seeking an FIR against Ram Mandir Trust General Secretary Champat Rai, Trust member Anil Misra and temple official Gopal Rao over alleged embezzlement of donation funds. The lawyer marched from the court premises to the Ram Janbhoomi police station here before submitting the complaint, demanding that a case be registered and a fair and impartial probe be conducted into the allegations. Headmaster suspended for attending school drunk in Odisha. Authorities in Odisha's Bhadrak district on Thursday suspended the headmaster of a government school after he was allegedly found consuming alcohol during school hours and later attending classes in an intoxicated condition, officials said. Chandavali Block Education Officer Suvendu Maharaj placed Srinath Das, headmaster of Binapani Nodal Upper Primary School, under suspension with immediate effect pending departmental disciplinary proceedings. According to the suspension order, Das was allegedly seen consuming liquor at a marketplace during official school hours on June 30 and later attended classes in an intoxicated state, which amounted to gross misconduct and conduct unbecoming of a government servant. Lightning strikes in UP's Balia leave 3 dead. 3 persons were killed and another seriously injured after lightning struck at separate places in Uttar Pradesh Balia district, police said on Thursday. District Magistrate Mangla Prasad Singh said the families of each of the deceased would be provided financial assistance of rupees 5 lakh by district administration. Garwar Station House officer Hitesh Kumar said the body had been sent for post-mortem. Russian attack on Ukraine shakes Kyiv for hours. Russia launched a large-scale attack on Ukraine's capital with missiles and drones overnight into Thursday, with the intense strikes causing loud explosions and shaking Kyiv for hours. Residential buildings were damaged in the attacks that killed 1 person and injured numerous people, said Timur Kachenko, head of the Kyiv City Military Administration. Mayor Vitaly Klitschko said at least 11 people were injured. The attack with ballistic and cruise missiles and drones affected all of the city's 10 districts on both sides of the Dnipro River. Many residents took shelter at metro station after Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky and other authorities issued the first warning of the attack. Thank you for being with us. This is MM News Live.